Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preserving anything you will need later, backup user folders, and a system image to an external drive. Once done, make a bootable USB using the Media Creation tool and a blank 8 plus GB stick. Then restart and enter BIOS or UEFI. Set the USB as first boot device, and if the motherboard forces it, temporarily disable Secure Boot. You must be ready to proceed immediately into the installer. Do not boot back into Windows. You select Custom, install Windows only, Advanced when the installer loads. This is where you control drives. Next, identify the target disk carefully by size and model, then delete every partition on that disk until it reads as unallocated space. The installer will remove the existing Windows 10 installation and boot records. After that, either create new partitions manually or select the unallocated space so the installer can auto-create required partitions. This ensures the old OS is fully removed. You proceed to install the new system or power off if you intend to install a different OS later. Completing setup writes a fresh bootloader that replaces Windows 10. Once installation finishes, make sure to re-enable Secure Boot in BIOS if you had turned it off and reconnect peripherals. If the machine does not boot, check that the disk mode, OSI versus RAID, matches driver expectations, and recreate the USB installer if corruption is suspected. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.